Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with GitHub tutorial, and in this video we are going to see how we can create GitHub account. Okay, and later on we are also going to see how we can create a repository in our GitHub account. Okay, so let's jump to the browser, and just you have to hit, let me show you. You have to hit here, search for GitHub login and sign up. Okay, and you just have to sign in with a passkey or create an account. Okay, so and here you have to provide your mail ID. So I have my mail ID here with handy. Okay, so let me give it. We have to click on continue. We have to give password. So I am going to give the password for that mail ID. Okay, for our GitHub account, password is strong, it's saying. So we have to click on continue. Enter the username. So we can choose our username as well. Okay, so let me use this username. So is available. Okay, so would you like to receive product update and announcement via email? I don't want to. Okay, so click on continue. So verify your account. So you will get an OTP, okay, on your email ID. So let me use this mail ID. Okay, I will get the OTP here. So verify. So we have to redirect this image as whatever they have shown here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just move this like that. Okay, and we have to click on submit. So one is done. Let's click on create account. Okay, save, and let's check out our mail. Okay, so we have received our OTP here, authentication code. Okay, so we just have to copy this and we just have to paste it here, and just me, a student, or just me. Click on continue. Click for continue for free, because we are not going to use for any organization. So our GitHub account is getting initialized. Okay, so we have successfully created our GitHub account. Now let's see how we can create any repository. Okay, so whenever you click on here on your profile image, okay, you can see the your repositories here. Okay, click on it, and so you can see we don't have any repository yet. Okay, so click on new. Give your repository name like testing or something. Okay, according to your requirement. So you can give the description like that repository is all about. Okay, according to that you can give the description. So I am giving creating for YouTube video. Okay, so there are two type of repository can be. Okay, so one is public and another one is private. So I am going with the public one. So initialize the repository with add a readme file. So why we use readme file here? So readme file is all about explanation of your code, what your code and your script is actually doing. So you can just mention and suppose if someone new is joining your team, they can easily check out the readme file and they can easily understand what your code is exactly doing. Okay, so I have successfully check mark to add the readme file. Now we have to do what we have to do. We have to click on create repository. Okay, so we have successfully created our repository here. As you can see, readme file here, right? Just click on it, creating for YouTube video, right? That this is what we have mentioned. Okay, so our branch is main only right now by default. So this is the master branch. Okay, and you can see the commit here, right? One commit that's we have just created, and we have committed the readme file only. Okay, so I hope you understand how we can create GitHub account, how we can create repository. Okay, so in the next video we will be seeing how we can authenticate with GitHub and how we can push any code and how we can work with GitHub. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my video. If you are new to my channel, then check out my other playlist as well. So, and if you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.